Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So excuse the state of me, I'm literally having a super chill day at home with the boys, but the Tyler has just left the house and it's an absolute mess downstairs, so I thought I would just do a quick speed clean for you and show you what it's all looking like at the moment. So as soon as the Tyler goes, usually he stays a bit longer, but we haven't got any tiles left at the moment, so we're waiting for a delivery. So I'm going to get this all cleared up because obviously it's got sharp bits on the floor probably, and I want to clean it up before the boys walk on it. But this is what the downstairs toilet is looking like at the moment. We've got these tiles in here which look really fab. They're like a marbly effect tile. I'll give you more details on those once we have done the reveal kind of video, but yeah, these are looking great. Those are the tiles in there, but obviously it's a little bit messy down here. It's literally like dust and dirt everywhere. So yeah, this is the situation right now. And in the utility room there is just stuff literally everywhere. So I'm going to tidy this area here, put everything into the utility room and give it a quick spruce. And in the kitchen, it's not looking too bad in here, to be honest. It's all right. I need to just put some of the bits away over here. It's just stuff everywhere at the moment. I've also got my makeup out here because this seems to be my new dressing table at the moment. I just keep doing my makeup down here because Orlando goes for a nap in our bedroom at the moment, so whenever he has a nap is usually the time I would get ready. So I've brought all my makeup down here now and I need to tidy that away. So yeah, little quick clean I think. So let's get started on cleaning this hallway.
Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want meditation. But I figured it's not on me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. Just wear a finger for people like them. Oh, no, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No, no, no. The way you make it make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, nah, nah. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
Right, so we're done now. All I need to do is mop the floor. I've just popped my little plug-in in. This is a Yankee Candle one. I bought it off Amazon the other day. Smells so nice. I'm just going to pop it onto the middle setting to make the room smell lovely. So that's that on. So this is what the dining room looks like now. Much tidier. My makeup's all away. I've given it a little clean and a spruce and a wipe down. And then this is the kitchen area. The kitchen's just had a little clean. I've put all of the washing up away. His bottles are still out. Orlando's bottles are still out because I need to sterilise those in a bit. So I've left them there for now. So to mop the floor, I'm just using my Addis mop. I get lots of questions about this. Basically, you put the solution in here. I just use like the Flash floor cleaner in here, or Zaflora, but today I've got Flash in there.
So wrap your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them.
Okay, so that is the hallway and kitchen area all clean now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I can't wait to do more cleaning videos for you very, very soon. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!